Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a cat eye look using Stila's Stay All Day liquid liner. The first thing I do is start from the inner corner of the eye, and I kind of bring out the angle of my eye just a little bit higher. And I try to go in baby steps so I don't mess up anything. Now once you think you got the top down packed, now it's time for the wing. I start off at the bottom and bring it out, just so I make sure everything is nice and clear. Then I start off at halfway. You want to make sure it's halfway through the wing. You do not want to start off all the way at the top because you will make a mess. And so again, little by little, you kind of complete the look, and you see that? It's so beautiful. Sorry, and then I also do the bottom to make sure everything looks dark. You don't have to do this. Now it's time for the inner corner. I take a line straight into my eyeliner and I connect every little bit. Then I go at the bottom, I curve it. I make sure that it's filled in a little, and then I adjust. I make sure that the little curve matches up with how the cat's eye usually is. Cats usually have a point going towards the nose, if you ever really notice. I preferably like to just put eyeshadow underneath my eye and the lower lash line. I'd rather not put so much eyeliner at the bottom just because it always ends up smudging on me. Of course, you cannot forget translucent powder. I always like to put it underneath just in case any of the dark circles come about or something. I just always like to lighten right under the eyeshadow. And there you have it, babes. If you enjoyed my videos, like it, share it with your friends, comment any suggestions you may have, and I love you guys and see you next time. Bye.